understand why. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year's to all you guys. Dude, today it's raining so bad, so I thought about the greatest idea, and that's to do a rain POV with the Hellcat. It is brutal, dude. There's like puddles everywhere, so I'm definitely not going high speeds, but might as well see how good this thing is with traction at lower speeds, you know. So that's the goal for today, because dude, I love when it rains in California, bro. It's something else. So might as well record it, dude. But I hope all you guys are doing good. I hope you guys have a good New Year's and have good goals for this year and execute it, man. Don't be lazy. It's gonna get hard. It's gonna suck. You're gonna wake up, hate your life sometimes. You gotta push through. You gotta start enjoying that feeling. Because the only way you're gonna be successful, dude, is you gotta enjoy the freaking struggle. Like, the struggle is what you gotta be. Like, that should be your passion, is like the struggle. When you feel struggle, it's like, okay, cool. It's brutal, bro. It's so... Oh, there's a big freaking puddle right here. Dude, this car is like floating right now. But the good thing, this thing's a boat, so it has hella weight. Yeah, I think this car, honestly, weighing hella helps a lot. The only issue is, like, once you slip out, you're gone. Like, I've seen videos of people like sending it, and then it like grips for a second, and then ungrips, and you're just gone, bro. You're cooked. That's why I wish they, like, I don't know why, for how expensive this car is, why don't they make it like an all-wheel drive? Like, you can change it to all-wheel drive, you know? Like, I shouldn't defrost the windows. Like, for example, like the Trackhawks, all-wheel drive, bro. Imagine this thing was all-wheel drive. Like, why, bro? Why didn't they do it? Yo, yeah, this is sauce. Like, I can't go past 40, bro. If I go past 40 and if I grip for a second and then just start going, I'm gone, bro. I won't be able to catch myself at all. This thing like low-key grips, I'm gonna be real. It low-key does. It tries its best for sure. Cut through it. I don't understand why. Holy crap, it's like gripping. It's honestly, it's gripping decently. Like, for how hard I'm pushing on it, for it to, like, it should be slipping the whole time right now. Yeah, this car is so sketchy in the rain. I mean, this car is sketchy even without the rain. If not with rain, bro, like, please, if you guys buy this car, please be careful. Like, don't test your luck. Holy, okay, let me turn off traction. Oh, that's bad. Let me turn off traction. So this is on sport mode, so sport mode actually helps pretty good. So now I'm gonna turn it off completely. Okay, now it's completely off. Let's see how bad it gets. Yeah, that's bad. That's really sketch. I'm not even drifting it, bro. Just driving. This is how, like, I normally push it, and it just does. Bro, I barely tapped it. Dang, it's flooded here. Bro, what? That's ridiculous, bro. So yeah, sport mode traction is actually pretty fun because it still grips somewhat. This one's just gone. It's just gone. Like, you're cooked pretty much. But I hope you guys do good, man. I hope you guys grinding towards something, you know. Every year, for me, like, my goals, like, I don't even celebrate New Year's because it's like I have to reach bigger goals every year, you know. Obviously, I celebrate throughout the year, but like New Year's, bro, at Christmas, it's like, bro, I gotta work harder, you know. Like, every single year, I'm like, okay, I need to I analyzed what I did, what I could do better, and just go full send. Bro, it's flooded here. Holy. Yo, this whole street's flooded. Okay, Loki gripping right now. I would not want to go in there. Dude, I feel like doing U-turns with this kind of mode is fun. Cause it just goes sideways like instantly. Like I would be so scared of this happening to me while I'm going 50 miles an hour, for example. It happened to me once and my heart dropped, bro. Like I never want to experience that again. Do a little Yui real quick. Low-key, I need to close the valves for this time, bro, because this thing, dude, if you guys heard this from the outside, it is so loud. It's actually ridiculous. Completely lost control. Completely lost control. I'm going back over here. Dude, I couldn't even catch it. I was trying to catch it. I like barely pushed it, and I was trying to catch myself, and I still couldn't catch myself. Ridiculous. Right now, I want to test my limits. Like I want to see like if I drove, like I definitely don't want to go over 40 because you know, like if I get cooked, bro, I'm just going there. Like I don't want to do that. It grips okay. It grips okay. If you're conservative, it definitely grips. Bro. Conservative on purpose, boys. I need to learn the limits of this car because this thing, it never rains, bro. It never freaking rains here. So it's like the only time I have. Like, bro, there's a custom Supra right there. Oh, these shops are nice. Tell if I have traction on or not, because for a second I think it gripped for a second, so that's why it did that. Because when it grips, it like I'm going pedal to metal, but it like the RPMs drop. That's usually when I have traction on, it usually drops for me, which is really nice. It rained like actually like last week, so I actually wanted to record this before, because I really want to know like how bad it is in the rain. It's so bad in the rain. Like if I clock it like this, one tap, what bro, I'm just gone. There's no control. Track mode definitely limits me like crazy. It's kind of nice. See, it's stopping me. That's not, I'm not even letting go. I didn't let go the whole time. It's stopping me. So that's good to know. Track mode is like probably the safest. But I remember one time I was in track mode, and like I said, once you slip, bro, you can't even save yourself. M5 though, M5 in the rain is so nice. The only issue I've experienced is like on a turn. Like if I turn, it's just gone, bro. It just starts slipping just all the way. I had one close call in the canyon, and there was for some reason like a little puddle. Bro, ever since then, like I just can't send down canyons. That's why I try to make these cars as loud as possible. All I need to now is just tune the hell out of this thing. Bad, honestly. We definitely still enjoy the car. I just would not risk it over 40. It is so beautiful when it rains here, man. I love it. Hope you guys enjoy this little POV in the rain. Dude, if I lived in Seattle, bro, I would not have this car, to be honest. Even if you have like winter tires, I wouldn't even risk it, dude, because this thing's so fat and heavy. So like once it whips out, all the weight goes with it, it's gone, man. I've experienced it, I just don't want to recreate it right now. I'm recreating it at low speed so I can catch myself. Yeah, all the scenes I recorded were actually on a theater movie set, so it's all private property. It's all like there's permits for it, so you know, nothing illegal happening over there. That's what's so cool. There's so many movies being filmed over here, you know. It's like there's so many, you know, they get more access because it's like protected areas and stuff like that. you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.